Want to use VPN Super on your Windows PC? Let's get you set up. It only takes a few minutes. Before you start, make sure you have two things: a PC running Windows 10 or 11 and an active VPN Super Premium subscription. Don't have one yet? Get one on the website. Step 1. Download the app. Head to vpnsuper.com/download-VPN and click Download VPN for Windows. The download will finish in just a few seconds. Step 2. Install the app. Once complete, VPN Super will launch automatically, and you'll see the welcome screen. Go ahead and hit Sign In. That'll take you to the sign-in page in your browser. Step 3. Finish setup. Once you have successfully signed in, you will get prompted to click Open VPN Super to jump back into the app. Great! You're now signed in and ready to go. Hit subscribe for more tutorials.